My humble pranams and love to all my respected viewers. Today is the holy day of Mahasamadhi of Swami Vivekananda. In this very day, Swamiji left his physical body along with the message of practical Vedanta for us. What we are carrying with a great responsibility for making our nation as well as our world better. Today also is the inauguration day of my university, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute, formerly known as Vivekananda University. So, happy birthday. Before a long 15 years, after a tremendous journey, Swamiji's dream of a unique university saw the daylight. I am thankful and fortunate to taking part in this journey a little. My pranamas to all revered Maharaj and all the members of RKM Very family. I can remember that day when I took part for the first time in this inauguration convocation day of my university. It was held at Narendrapur. It was the fourth day after joining my university as a student. I was so much inspired after listening the lectures and seeing those gold medalists. I was very much enthusiastic after that. Okay, there has a reason. That's why I'm using I was. That's a different matter for me. Okay, so today I am dedicating a song with my worst voice to the holy feet of that great personality. And this university, for my rest of life, this institute will have a great impact in me for sure. So I'm also dedicating in this auspicious day of the inauguration of my university. So I'm just quoting one sentence, one of the greatest sentence I have ever heard in my life, said by that person: be and make, let this be our motto. So okay, this song what I am going to perform was composed by Sri Sharat Chandra Chakraborty for his guru Swami Vivekananda. I just cried when I first listened this song without knowing the meaning of the full song, and I could just assume one or two word meaning hardly in the first line. So okay, please forgive for any mistake. Murta Maheshwara Ujjvala Bhaskaram Ishtamamaranaravandyam. Murta Maheshwaram Ujjvala Bhaskaram Ishtamamaranaravandyam. Vande Vedatanu Murchita Garhita Kanchana Kamini Bandham. Vande Vedatanu Murchita Garhita Kanchana Kamini Bandham. Murta Maheshwaram Ujjvala Bhaskaram इष्टममरनरवन्द्यं कोटिभानुकर दीप्तसिंहमहो कटितटकौपीनवन्तं कोटिभानुकर दीप्तसिंहमहो कटितटकौपीनवन्तम् अभिरभिहुङ्कारनादितदिङ्मुख प्रचण्डताण्डवनृत्यम् अभिरभिहुङ्कारनादितदिङ्मुख प्रचण्डताण्डवनृत्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमुज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् भुक्तिमुक्तिकृपाकटाक्षप्रेक्षणम् अघदलविदलनदक्षम् भुक्तिमुक्तिकृपाकटाक्षप्रेक्षणम् अघदलविदलनदक्षम् बालचन्द्रधरमिन्दुवन्द्यमिह नौमि गुरुविवेकानन्दम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमुज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमुज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् वन्दे वेदतनुमुज्झितगर्हित वन्दे वेदतनुमुज्झितगर्हित काञ्चनकामिनि बन्धम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमुज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम्